Tonight we gon' drink and we gon' party. We gon' get loose to the early morning. Tonight we gon' drink and we gon' party. We gon' get loose to the early morning. Borracho y loco, la discoteca. 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 Fresh from the jeweler, looking like too much moolah, nigga, I'm gold. Whoa, yeah, everything shining, big motion, by open, we ain't never gon' close. Tonight I'm gonna drink, push my limits to the brink. I'm that ink, I know you wanna know, I got the link. Yeah, look it up, Chino, Pitbull, got the whole damn city up. Glow rider, dead dollar, you know I got you. Tonight we gon' drink, and we gon' party. We gon' get loose to the early morning. Tonight we gon' drink, and we gon' party. We gon' get loose to the early morning. Borracho y loco, la discoteca. Borracho y loco, la discoteca. Borracho y loco, la discoteca. Borracho y loco, Rondo, borracho y loco, mucha mami, mucho humo, chilling por Miami. Cero fotos, que llego el loco con las loquitas, Ofi Murakami. Fiesta, fiesta, está la baby arriba de la mesa. Culo duro, se ve que hace pesa. Por seguro le parto esa fresa. Fiesta, fiesta, en el party explotamos 100K y la gringa la ponemos en 4K. Tonight we gon' drink and we gon' party. We gon' get loose to the early morning. Tonight we gon' drink and we gon' party. We gon' get loose to the early morning. Borracho y loco, la discoteca. 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 The most winning. I am Gino, Flow Rider, Pitbull, 305, Mauro, tenemos el mundo bailando.
Let's learn You Loco. It's choreographed by Brandon Zahorsky and Trevor Thornton. It is a 32 count 4-wall improver level line dance with no tags and no restarts. I'm going to turn around and break down the dance section by section using steps and counts. We'll then practice the front wall all the way through with steps and counts, talk about the ending, and then we're going to go through and dance 4 walls of the dance so that you know how it flows, so you can hopefully dance this on a dance floor near you. So let's turn around and learn You Loco. Section 1, your weight's going to start on your left foot. We're going to do crossing heel grinds. So you're going to take your right heel, you're going to cross it over your left. As you cross over, you're going to take weight onto your right heel and you're going to rotate your toes to the right and then step your left foot out to the side and quickly step your right foot out to the side. We're now going to cross our left heel over our right, and as we cross over, we're going to take weight onto our left heel. You're going to rotate your toes to the left, step your right foot to the side, and then quickly step your left foot to the side. We're now going to cross our right over our left, step back with your left, make a quarter turn over your right shoulder, stepping your right foot to the right side of the face, 3 o'clock, and cross your left over your right. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your heel grinds. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. Section 2, we're going to do syncopated side rocks. So we're going to rock our right foot to the right side, recover onto your left, quickly step your right next to your left. We're now going to rock our left foot to the left side, recover onto your right, and quickly step your left next to your right. Step forward with your right foot, do a half pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face, 9 o'clock, and then do a kick ball change, kicking your right foot forward, step your right next to your left, and then you're going to step your left foot slightly forward. When you step forward, you want to kind of angle your body to the right. It's going to make the next section feel easier. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left, you're doing your syncopated side rock. So it's 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. Section 3, we're going to do a right sailor step. turn, stepping your right foot to the side, and then step forward with your left, and you're now facing 6 o'clock. We're going to do 2 samba steps, and when you do these samba steps, you want to push your hip. So we're going to step our right foot forward and slightly over our left. You're going to rock the ball of your left foot to the left side, pushing your hip up, and recover onto your right. We're now going to step our left foot forward and slightly over our right. You're going to rock the ball of your right foot to the right side, pushing your hip up, and then recover onto your left. So let's try that with some counts. We just did our kickball change. You're doing your sailor steps. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. Section 4 and our final section of the dance. We're going to cross our right over our left. Step back with your left, step back with your right. Cross your left over your right. Step back with your right, make a half turn over your left shoulder, stepping forward with your left foot to face 12 o'clock. Step forward with your right and do a quarter pivot over your left shoulder, putting your weight onto your left foot to face 9 o'clock, where you'll be ready to start over again. Now when you do this quarter pivot, you want to make sure that your body is slightly open to the left, because it's going to make going into these heel grinds feel a little bit easier. So let's try that with some counts. Weight is on your left. We're doing our cross back, back. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now let's face the front. We're going to do it 1 time through with steps, 1 time through with counts. Weight is on your left. You're starting with your crossing heel grind. So it's heel, grind, ball, heel, grind, ball, cross, back, quarter, cross, side rock, recover together, side rock, recover together, step, half pivot, kick, ball, change, sailor, step, sailor, quarter turn, samba, step, cross, back, back, cross, back, half, step, quarter pivot. Let's try it with some counts. Weight is on your left. You're doing your crossing heel grind. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. Now let's talk about the ending. Your final wall will be a 9 o'clock facing wall, and we're going to dance up to where we do the half pivot before we change anything. So let's dance up to that part, and then we'll talk about how to do the ending. So weight is on your left. You're starting with your crossing heel grind. So it's heel, grind, ball, cross, back, quarter, cross, side rock, recover together, side rock, recover together, step, half pivot. Right here, instead of doing a kickball change, we're going to do another step, half pivot to face 12 o'clock. So you'll step forward with your right, do a half pivot to face 12 o'clock, and the music will end slightly after you do that half pivot. There is a couple of extra counts, but you're just turning to the front instead of doing a kickball change. So now let's go around. On the front and back balls, I'm going to do steps. Side balls, I'm going to do counts. Weight is on your left. We're doing our crossing heel grind. So it's heel, grind, ball, cross, back, quarter, cross, side rock, recover together, side rock, recover together, step, half pivot, kick, ball, change, right, sailor, step, quarter, sailor, step, samba, step, cross, back, back, cross, back, half, quarter, pivot, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, heel, grind, ball, cross, back, quarter, cross, side rock, recover together, side rock, recover together, step, half pivot, kick, ball, change, sailor, step, sailor, quarter turn, samba, cross, back, back, cross, back, half, step, quarter pivot, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, and 3, 4, and 5, 6, 7, and 8, 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And that is the whole dance. So now that you've learned it with a tutorial, you can use the timestamp in the video description below to skip to the rear demo so you can practice as much as you would like so you can hopefully go out and dance this on a dance floor near you. I hope this helped you learn You Loco. If you have any questions, let me know. Thanks, guys.
Tonight we gon' drink and we gon' party.